Hello, my name is Mariel Manuel. I'm a Swiss artist and fashion designer, and today we're at the end of a workshop that I'm giving at the JD Institute in Bangalore. Using textile as a way to express myself, so it's more like an artistic approach for me. My values are always creativity before everything, so I use a lot of materials that I find, where I use a lot of already existing materials to compose my dresses, and I like to inspire also people to find ideas and how can they invent something innovative using less and using little resource. In the end of the 4-day workshop, my aim is to create a large installation of silhouettes and sculpted textiles that illustrate an idea of the body and design and details, and I think it will be an interesting workshop with students, and I'm coming here with quite a clear vision of what I want to achieve with them. So we're looking forward to finalize this project and to bring it to life, and that all these great ideas can come together. And welcome to imagination.